English, we cater to a different or a wide variety of students. Most schools will just focus on business. Most schools will focus on TOEIC or IELTS. But in our school, we have all.
My primary goal as a QQ English teacher is to help and guide students in how to speak English with fluency. QQ English offers quality learning, and apart from that, all teachers are equipped with the necessary skills on how to facilitate their classes.
QQ English, we offer both online and offline classes to our customers. As for online, we have like 25 minutes, and we offer different courses ranging from general English, academic English, and business English.
I encourage students to enroll in QQ English because not only that we offer lessons here, but we have amenities that they can enjoy.